So hi everyone, welcome you all. Let's solve this question. First of all, read the question carefully. So how would you connect three resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the combination has a resistance 9 ohm? Now we need to justify. Some of you will say, sir, two series, one parallel. Okay, whenever you are saying anything like you should justify, so they are saying justify your answer. So justify your answer means you should prove it. You want equivalent resistance to be 9 ohm. So write down equivalent resistance to be 9 ohm. That is the key result which they are asking in the question. ये आपको prove करना है बेटा. Clear? We have three resistors. R1 is 6 ohm. R2 is 6 ohm. R3 is 6 ohm. Okay. Now, in which way I will get 9 ohm? Simple answer. If you connect these two resistors in parallel like this, and one resistor in series, I will get like this. 6 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm. So 6 in parallel will be 3 ohm. This will be 3 ohm. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, that is 3 ohm. Okay, 6 ohm. And finally, if you combine these two, you will get 9 ohm. That is the final answer they're asking. Okay, so we have justify also. You just draw this circuit diagram, and if you want to, you can write steps also. 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, like you can show some steps. My target is to inform you how to approach such questions. Okay, it's a like you should think like two series, one parallel, and solve the equivalent resistance. If you are getting 9 ohm, that is correct. So many times you have to think, then only you can solve such question. There is no trick for this. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.